Welcome to Frugal Solutions Hub, where we explore cost-effective, natural, and traditional ways of living. Have you ever wondered how the Amish, known for their simple and natural lifestyle, maintain excellent oral hygiene without modern toothpaste? In this video, we'll uncover their traditional methods, the natural ingredients they use, and why their approach might actually be healthier and more sustainable than commercial toothpaste. Stay with us as we dive deep into the Amish secrets to strong, healthy teeth without spending a dime on store-bought toothpaste. Most people use commercial toothpaste without questioning its ingredients, but the Amish have their own reasons for avoiding it. 1. Avoiding artificial chemicals. The Amish prefer all natural products, steering clear of artificial sweeteners, fluoride, and foaming agents found in commercial toothpaste. 2. Self-sufficiency. They rely on homemade and natural alternatives instead of buying mass-produced goods. 3. Cost and sustainability. Making their own oral hygiene products is both frugal and environmentally friendly. But if they don't use toothpaste, what do they use instead? Let's find out. The Amish maintain their oral hygiene using natural ingredients and time-tested practices. Let's break it down. 1. Brushing with natural powders. The Amish often use a mixture of baking soda and salt as a tooth cleaning powder. Baking soda helps neutralize acids, while salt acts as a natural antibacterial agent. 2. Herbal remedies for fresh breath and gum health. Clove powder is used for its antibacterial and pain-relieving properties. Sage leaves can be rubbed directly on the teeth for natural whitening. Peppermint or spearmint leaves freshen breath naturally. 3. Activated charcoal for whitening. The Amish sometimes use charcoal from burned wood to remove stains and toxins from teeth. While it can be messy, it's a powerful and natural whitening method. 4. Natural mouth rinses. A simple rinse with salt water or apple cider vinegar helps kill bacteria and freshen breath. Tea made from echinacea, chamomile, or myrrh can soothe gums and prevent infections. 5. Using miswak, chewing sticks. Some Amish communities use natural chewing sticks from trees like birch or sassafras instead of toothbrushes. These sticks act as both a toothbrush and floss, cleaning between teeth naturally. It's not just what they brush with, it's also what they eat. The Amish diet plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy teeth. 1. Minimal processed sugars. They eat homemade foods with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup instead of refined sugar. 2. Dairy for strong teeth. Milk, cheese, and butter provide calcium for stronger enamel. 3. Crunchy raw vegetables. Carrots, celery, and apples naturally clean teeth and stimulate saliva production. 4. No overprocessed foods. Their diet avoids artificial additives, reducing the risk of cavities. The Amish often don't visit dentists as frequently as modern society. Instead, they use preventive care and traditional remedies for common dental issues. Toothaches? They use clove oil or chew on raw onions for pain relief. Gum infections? A rinse with salt water or a poultice of echinacea helps fight bacteria. Tooth decay? They believe in strengthening enamel through diet rather than relying on fillings. So what can we learn from the Amish about oral hygiene? 1. Natural chemical-free alternatives work just as well, if not better, than store-bought toothpaste. 2. Diet plays a crucial role in preventing cavities and gum disease. 3. Traditional simple practices can save money while keeping your teeth healthy. Would you consider switching to any of these Amish-inspired methods? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more frugal and natural living tips. Thanks for watching Frugal Solutions Hub. See you in the next video.